So to disable the notifications on Google Chrome within your laptop, open the Google Chrome, go to these three vertical dots. From the drop down menu, select settings. In the settings, select privacy and security, then select site settings, select notifications, and here you have an option. Either you can select that the site can ask to send notification, you can use the quieter messaging, sites are blocked from interrupting you when they ask to send notifications, or you can completely block by do not allowing the sites to send notifications. And down below there is an option of customized behaviors. The sites you will see here will have the customized behavior. For example, in my case for Pinterest, if I click here, you would see that here in the notifications it is blocked. And if I go back for my YouTube, you would see that the notifications in case of YouTube are also blocked. So by default my setting was this. However, I made these two sites which were sending too much of notifications, I have blocked them through the customized behavior. I've made a very interesting video on Google Chrome tips and tricks, which I will put it in the end screen card now. I would highly recommend that you watch that video also. It would surely help you to get the best out of Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.